Hello, I'm your financial partner. Today, I want to speak to you about something that can truly change your life. How to smartly manage your monthly income, how to save money consistently in USD, and how to use those savings to start a small business that can grow into a full-time source of income. This is not a dream. This is not luck. This is a path, a system, a strategy that anyone can follow, no matter how little money they have or what job they currently do. I want you to imagine something for a moment. Imagine waking up one day and checking your bank account. Imagine seeing money that is not just from your job, money that comes from your skills, your hard work, and your discipline. Money that grows while you sleep. Money that allows you to make choices without fear, to plan vacations without guilt, to invest in your family's future without stress. That's the life I want to help you build. And it starts with one thing: saving consistently. Most people believe that to start a business, you need tens of thousands of dollars, or that saving a little each month doesn't matter. That is a lie. Let me tell you the truth. Even someone making $2,000 a month can save $200 a month, and that $200 can become the foundation of a real business. And once the business starts, even small profits reinvested can grow into significant income over time. Think about it like planting a tree. You don't need to plant an entire forest in one day. You plant one seed. You water it consistently. You protect it from storms. And after months and years, that one tree grows into something big, providing shade, fruits, and value far beyond what you imagined. Your savings are the seed. Your discipline is the water. Your business is the tree. Now let's talk numbers. Imagine you earn $3,000 a month. Most people spend first and save later. They eat out, buy things they don't need, pay bills, and suddenly the month is over. But what if you flipped this? What if you paid yourself first? Take $300 out immediately and set it aside. Move it to a separate savings account or a jar you never touch for regular expenses. That $300 is not just money. That is your future. That is your opportunity. Let's make it real. If you save $300 every month in 1 year, you'll have $3,600. In 2 years, $7,200. And with interest or small smart investments, that money grows even more. And with that money, you can start a small business. Something simple, something scalable, something based on a skill you have. Most successful people in the world didn't start rich. Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, started with nothing. Jeff Bezos started Amazon from a garage. Howard Schultz started Starbucks from one small store. Even Oprah Winfrey started with very little money, and look where she is today. Great things begin small. Small ideas, small money, small consistent actions. Here's the strategy. Once your savings start accumulating, business fund. This is money solely dedicated to starting or growing your business. Even $50 or $100 a month can make a difference. And while it sounds small, when compounded over time, it becomes life-changing. $1,000 might not seem like much, but if invested wisely in a business or skill, it could return $5,000, $10,000, or even more over time. The key is to choose a business based on your skills. Skills are currencies. They can be monetized immediately, often without large initial investment. High-income skills like video editing, social media management, graphic design, digital marketing, copywriting, coding, or online tutoring are perfect examples. You can start offering services for $50, $100, or $200 per client and gradually scale up. For instance, imagine you learn video editing and start with one client paying 100. The next month, you get 2 clients. By the third month, you have 5 clients. Each payment gets reinvested into better software, better equipment, or advertising to get more clients. That small savings you set aside each month is now fueling your growing business. The habit of saving is no longer just about money. It's about freedom. I want you to understand something crucial here. Money is temporary. Money comes and goes, but habits last forever. When you develop the habit of saving first, spending second, and investing in yourself, you have built a system that cannot fail. Even if your income fluctuates, the habit ensures your future grows. But saving and skill building alone are not enough. You must also develop patience. Business growth is rarely instant. Most people quit after a few months because they don't see results. The truth is, if you stick to the process, saving, investing, learning, providing value, the results will come. Small wins compound over time. A client today brings referrals tomorrow. A small product today brings repeat sales tomorrow. Your hard work builds momentum. And once momentum builds, it accelerates faster than anything else. Let's take a moment to visualize this. Picture yourself a year from now. You've saved $3,600. You've started offering freelance services. You've taken $1,000 and invested in some basic tools. You've acquired a handful of clients. The business brings in another $500 per month. That $500 isn't just extra cash. That $500 is validation. That $500 is proof that your strategy works. That $500 becomes your confidence. And with confidence, you reinvest, you scale, you expand, you grow. Now imagine 2 years later, your savings are higher. Your business is generating $1,500 per month. You're still working your regular job. You still have financial security, but you also have independence. You're no longer fully dependent on a paycheck. You're learning to leverage your time, your money, and your skills. You're building something that could replace your job entirely. The final piece of the puzzle is mindset. You must adopt the mindset of a long-term winner. Patience, discipline, consistency, focus. Never spend money impulsively. Always reinvest profits. Always seek growth. Every client, every project, every dollar saved is a brick in your financial foundation. Your mindset determines your speed and the ceiling of your growth. Remember, life will throw challenges at you. Unexpected expenses will appear. Sometimes your savings may feel small. Sometimes the business won't bring clients immediately. But those are lessons, not failures. Lessons teach you to adapt. Lessons teach you to innovate. Lessons teach you resilience. And resilience is what separates the successful from the rest. By sticking to this plan, saving first, spending second, investing in skills, starting a small business, and growing it consistently, you are creating a life of freedom. You are creating a life where you can make choices without fear. You are creating a life where your time is yours, where your financial future is under your control, where your dreams are no longer limited by your current income. And it all starts today, right now. With your next paycheck, with your next $50 or $100 saved, with the decision to start learning a skill or investing in a business idea. Your journey may seem small at first, slow, incremental, but over time, small steps create massive results. 1 year from now, if you start today, you will look back and wonder why you waited so long. So here is my challenge for you. Take action. Start your savings fund today. Pay yourself first. Learn a marketable skill. Offer your service. Reinvest your profits. Repeat consistently. And watch how the life you imagined slowly begins to unfold. Your financial freedom, your dream business, your independent life. It all starts with a simple habit, a small saving, a brave first step, and the belief that your future is worth the discipline of today. This is your moment, your story, your victory, and I'm here with you as your financial partner every step of the way. The path is clear, the system works, the power is in your hands. Start today, stay consistent, and your life will never be the same again.